bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Comment allez-vous mes amis? Bien? Super. Je vais bien aussi. Aujourd'hui, je porte une salle. J'aime beaucoup mon pays, l'Inde. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous apprendre les verbes français. Hello friends, today I am going to teach you the verbs in French. And I hope very soon you are going to start understanding whatever I speak in French. Alors, commencez. The verbs in French, they are divided into three categories. First category is that ends with ER. Second, the ones that end with IR. And the third ones, those that ends with RE. Première catégorie, les verbes qui ont ER à la fin. Deuxième catégorie, les verbes qui ont IR à la fin. Troisième catégorie, les verbes qui ont RE à la fin. Like in Hindi, we have all the words that end with na, like sona, utna, baitna, rona, gana. Same way, in French, we have the words that end with a particular ending. All the verbs in French, they are going to end with only and only these three endings, ER, IR or RE. The conjugation of all these verbs will depend as per in which category do they belong. There is a long list of words that we have that end with all these endings. Like the words ending with ER are manger, parler, jouer, inviter, arriver, aller. All the verbs, they can be regular or irregular verbs also. The regular ones are those in which the same pattern of conjugation is followed, and the irregular ones are those in which you have to learn the conjugation as it is. Like the way you have learned in être and avoir, they don't follow any fixed pattern. You have to learn the verb as it is. The one most irregular word with ER ending is aller, which means to go. I will be giving you the list of all the verbs ending with ER in my next video. Today we will be discussing how to conjugate the verbs that end with ER. First of all, for the regular verbs, you take a verb, the full verb, and remove just the ending, the ER portion, the suffix, and we will conjugate only the suffix. The first portion will remain as it is. Like for example, take the word parler. Parler means to speak. Parler, we have to remove ER and we have to put the following endings after it, and parle, P-A-R-L, we are going to use it as it is. See the first conjugation. The first one is je parle. In place of ER, put just the E. Next is tu parles. ES in place of ER. Tu parles. We pronounce it like parle. Next is il-L-O. Parle. Remove ER, put just E. So the pattern comes E, E-S, E. Next, nous parlons. Remove ER, put O-N-S. Next, vous parlez. Remove ER, put EZ. Then, il-L parle. We are going to pronounce it as parle, not parlent. So, we have the following conjugation. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So, take any verb, any regular verb, you can conjugate it very easily by following this pattern. Now, je parle means I am speaking. Tu parles, you are speak or you speak. In French, we don't have any continuous tense, present continuous tense. It is same as the simple present tense. So, I am speaking or I speak, it is the same. Je parle. We are speaking, we speak in a formal manner. Nous parlons. They speak, they are speaking, it is il parle, elle parle. Now we will be doing the verb aimer. With vowels, remember one thing, with je, you have to put apostrophe. You can't write je aime. No, it will be j'aime. Put apostrophe. J'aime. And the second thing that you have to remember is listening. Ils aiment, elles aiment. Here listening will be done. Ilzem, elzem. The S of il and L with listen with the A of ma. Ilzem, elzem. You have to remember these two things. Jem, tuem, ilm, lm, onem, nuzemo, wuzeme, ilzem, elzem. Now I have a small exercise for you to practice. So perform well. Bonne chance. Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne, s'il vous plaît. Por cela me donnera plus de motivation à faire tout le vidéo de ce type pour vous. Merci beaucoup. Please subscribe to my channel because it will give you more motivation to make such videos for you. Thank you.